how to fix your Brother MFC-J1170DW in case you're having issues with it. So if it's not working, maybe the Wi-Fi is cutting, no matter which problem you have, the first thing I always suggest is to disconnect it from the wall outlet. So you're gonna go and you're gonna unplug it. Wait 2 minutes and plug it back. If you have Wi-Fi issues, I suggest you do the same thing with your Wi-Fi router. So unplug it and plug it back as well. If you have a paper jam on this printer, well, if you have a paper jam because of the ADF, you can open this and sometimes the paper will get stuck there. Another thing you can do is to go on the back, open this by pressing and pulling. And here is another spot where you can check for any paper stock. Simply remove it using your fingers. You can also remove the paper input drawer completely. And if you have some paper stock, you'll be able again to remove it from here. Now, if nothing solves your issue, you can do a factory reset of this printer. So let me show you how it is done through this display. So what you need to do is to press this, I don't know if you see, settings button. Press the home button if you don't see the screen. Once you are over here, you're going to select all settings. Go down. Initial setup. Go down. Select reset. If you want to do a full reset, you're going to go down and select all settings. This is a factory reset. As it says here, machine will reboot after resetting. Press OK for 2 seconds to confirm. So I'm going to press this OK button 2 seconds and the reset will start. It will only take a few seconds to 1 or 2 minutes, and afterwards your printer will be like a brand new one. You'll have to set it up again from the very beginning. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.